Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying the Yukimiya variant and that Azure Latch is unlocked. This ensures you can proceed. Load your kit with the specified primary and support and keep about 0. 5 energy reserve so the latch primes. Once done, move to high ground with roughly a 120 degrees field of view and activate the HUD cooldown readout. You do this so the first latch activation is stable, directional, and timed correctly. Don't waste a charge in melee or blind angles. You now execute the core sequence. Hold the latch input for around 0. 8 to 1. 0 seconds to prime the pulse. This charge window maximizes range and damage. Immediately fire the latch, then swap to your support weapon within about 0. 6 seconds to preserve momentum and enable the follow-up burst. Make sure to stagger cycles so you use only 20 to 30% energy per rotation, because conserving power keeps the next latch ready and prevents mid-combat downtime. You finish by weaving 2 full latch cycles while repositioning to cover angles and avoid predictable lines. This secures the kill or forces retreat. Once done, wait about 2 to 1. 5 seconds for cooldown sync before aggressively re-engaging. This prevents wasted inputs. If the latch fails or misfires, inspect the HUD for a 0-state energy indicator, reset the control input by releasing all buttons, and rebind the ability if problems persist. This usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.